Comparative analysis of Kabbalah versus spiritual beliefs. Faith and attainment. Religions expect a person to have blind faith in the Creator, which is to say, I believe because I was told so. I accept it as an axiom and live without thinking about it. In Kabbalah, however, it is necessary to attain the Creator, that is, to feel Him and not just believe in Him. The Creator is the force of love and bestowal. It has to be revealed within a person. The Creator does not change. Many spiritual practices claim the Creator or the divine consciousness changes its attitude toward a person, depending on his or her actions. Kabbalah describes the upper force as immutable. If I become similar to this force, the force of bestowal, in qualities, then I perceive it, or the Creator, which is the same, as benevolent. If I'm distant from the upper force in my qualities, then the Creator seems evil to me. I see suffering everywhere, and I myself suffer. Recognizing the evil of our egoistic nature. Many beliefs consider a human being to be low, vicious, and a flawed creature in relation to God, which is okay. They state you just have to cry, pray, and try to be good. A Kabbalist does not whine to the Creator about his inferiority. We have to realize that evil is self-love, and it is inserted into us by the Creator Himself, so that we can achieve goodness and perfection. Only the Creator is able to change human nature, that is, to turn evil into good, that is, into love of others, and afterwards into love of the Creator. The whole of the wisdom of Kabbalah is only to know the guidance of the upper desire, why He created all those creations, what He wants with them, and what will be the end of all the turnings of the world. Ramchal da Tavunot. Thus, by studying the wisdom of Kabbalah, humanity rises to a new level of existence. At the same time, each nation will have the right to adhere to its own religion and customs. The religious form of all nations should first oblige its members to observe the principle of love of others. Besides this, each nation may follow its own religion and tradition, and one must not interfere in the affairs of another. Bala Sulam, The Last Generation article, The Solution. That is, all peoples will have to switch from their egoistic nature to the divine altruistic nature. The external framework will remain the same, but the inner essence of a person will completely change. This is thus a brief comparative analysis of Kabbalah versus beliefs.